Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful crochet roses. You can use these roses in many things. You can ornament baby blankets or you can ornament your garments. In many projects you can use this. It is also very easy, dear friends. We need some yarn. I'm going to use this acrylic yarn and 2.5 millimeters hook. We are starting by making chains. First of all, I'm fixing the yarn by making a knot. And then I'm going to make 50 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, I'm making 50 chains, dear friends. I finished making chains. It is 50 chain. I'm making yarn over. I'm going back 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inserting my hook in the 4th chain, making a double crochet, like this. I am making 4 chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over. I am inserting my hook in the same place that I made the double crochet. I'm making yarn over and inserting my hook in the following 4th chain. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Four chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inserting my hook in here, making a double crochet. Yarn over. I am inserting my hook in the following 4 chains. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Inserting my hook in the 4th one. Yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over, inserting my hook in the same place that I made the double crochet, like this. Yarn over, inserting my hook in the following 4th chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am making 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, inserting my hook in the place that I made the double crochet, and I am making a double crochet in the same place, yarn over. I'm going back 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 4th chain I am making a double crochet, four chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am making a double crochet in the same place that I made the double crochet before. Like this, yarn over, 4 chains. I'm going back 1, 2, 3, 4, making a double crochet, 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same place, making a double crochet. Like this, I am coming to the end, dear friends. It's been like this. In the same way, I am coming to the back. There will be totally 11 spaces like this. We are counting this 1. I'm not counting the one that I made first. I am counting the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, we are making 11 spaces. We are counting only these spaces. We are not counting the others below this. Okay, let's finish this till the end of the chain. I finished this row as well. Now I am turning back. Yarn over. I am going to make 10 double crochet in the first space. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you see there is a space here. I am inserting my hook and making a single stitch in there. Yarn over. I am going to the following space, making 10 double crochet as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And inserting our hook in this space, making a single stitch. It's been like this. Yarn over, going to the following space, making 10 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inserting my hook in the following space, making a single stitch. It's been like this, and in the same way we are going on till the end of the row, dear friends. I came to the end of this row. I am at the end. Now I am inserting my hook in the last space, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain. We need some yarn to sew up. we need a darning needle to sew up the rows. And I will shape it to rows like this. It's been like this. Now I am going to sew it up. It is like this, dear friends, really beautiful. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this project. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. If you like this, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos, and please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. We will meet in the coming videos.